Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are doing a Dollar Tree haul. So let's get in and let's get into the video. Alright guys, welcome back. So I went on a little shopping spree this weekend. You guys are gonna see a ton of videos from my weekend splurge. And I'm actually may have to go back out because I noticed I found something that I really wanted, but we're not going to talk about that. We'll talk about that on another video. So let us see what we got. I actually went to Dollar Tree because I was looking for the warmers, the tea light candle warmers, and they had none. I was so disappointed. So I started looking around and just to take a look to see what they had. So I'm just sharing with you a little haul that I got from the Dollar Tree. But let me know in the comment section below, what is your favorite item, go-to item that you always have to get from the Dollar Tree? For me, it varies. For us, we sometimes I do get the doggy bags from there. Shower caps. You guys will see something because obviously I told them myself. I got the shower caps. Usually I get like the plastic clear ones, but this time around I decided to get this one here. A lot of people rave about April bath and showers. I did get, if you watched my video, I did like I think it was 15 luxury items that you can find in Dollar Tree, so definitely go check that out if you haven't. But April Bath and Shower, I'm just making sure I have the name correct because I kind of want to say Bath and Body, but that's wrong. Was one of the main brands that I did have. I think I got a microfiber towel from there, so that was super cool. Now the next thing we have, which is my daughter's obsessed with, are these coffee syrups. So you have there, one is in French vanilla, and then the other is salted caramel. These are really good. She actually left. If you follow me on Instagram, you guys noticed that I put like a coffee bar together, and I was looking at videos on YouTube, and one of the ladies was like, guys, these Dollar Tree items, if you want to fill your coffee bar, because go look on my YouTube, my Instagram if you have it. I have the coffee bar set where there's like a spinnable tray in the middle. And I have all my Ray Dunn coffee mugs on there with the coffee. And then in the middle is that turntable that spins. That's where my coffee syrups go. I don't use the coffee syrup as much as my daughter does, so I had to get this for her. But these were really good. And the woman that I followed on YouTube, she was like, those are good fillers, even if you don't use them, because you only spend $1. But my daughter ended up using them because they were really for show, but she got stuck and she loved them. This is a go-to item for me. I saw this on another woman's video. Who knows? I'm sure you, like me, you go down a rabbit hole for YouTube. And if you're a person that, I go through different videos on YouTube, whether it's Dollar Store, Ulta, I go into BookTube myself, and if you don't know, I do have a BookTube channel. I kind of want to keep that separate from this channel because these are all reviews. Those are reviews too, but I kind of like to keep the books separate. So if you like books too, or if you want to get, follow me, my reading, what I like to read, the books I'm going to read, things like that, definitely go check out my BookTube channel called Lynette Turns Pages. But this is one of the go-to items that I see mentioned in a lot of Dollar Tree hauls. Definitely go get this because these are 60 tooth plackers that they call it. These are really good instead of using regular floss, which for some reason I can't get down with, but this, it works for me. Another thing that I was looking for during my luxury items haul was actually this, and I couldn't find it during the time, but I got this. This is a sponge holder. This is so that your sponge doesn't accumulate with gunk. You can put this actually inside your sink. So there's that. That's the only one I saw. And then let me see what else we have. These, we go through these a lot. My husband works from his vehicle for our state, so he always has to pack portable lunch into his lunch bag. So we usually get like little ones, and I actually use these also. So we use this for the dog when we make him, like if we boil his chicken, we'll take the chicken broth and I pour them in here. So these are good for like lunch bags. Your kids are going back to school soon. In my state, my son is going back to school in the fall or in August. So these are perfect to throw if you have, but mine is in high school, so he's not gonna be bringing lunch anymore because he thinks that's too babyish. But if you have little kids, these are perfect small little containers that have a twist. And it twists, it doesn't snap, so it has a twist. So you definitely, these lock in place, these won't spill out, because that's always my fear, is that they're gonna spill out, and they never do. These are just little snacks that my husband likes to take, and the kids always eat his snacks. These are for work, his work. This, if you look at the tool behind me, this is in there. And I actually only get the Betty Crocker ones from the Dollar Tree. These are really good, but for some reason, and I keep telling my husband to stop, he lays these on the pans when he's cooking things, and it always melts it. And I'm like, dude, can you stop? So that's a replacement of something that's in that container already. And these I'm gonna try. These are like English muffins. I tend to not buy food from the Dollar Tree except for snacks, but we'll see how this works. But yeah, these were $1. But that is everything. I know this is definitely a super quick haul, but I just wanted to share with you because I definitely have a couple of, like I said, I have more videos coming out. But yeah, let me know in the comment section below, what is your go to the dollar store reason? What do you go to the dollar store for? Definitely let me know in the comment section below. And with that being said, you enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a good day, guys.